Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a makeup look using the ColourPop Disney Midnight Masquerade palette. And it is a palette with a mix of glitters, shimmers, and mattes. Mostly mattes, but it does have those other two options in there. That's what the colors look like. Guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Candace and I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content. I also have a secondary channel for luxury only content, linked above. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in once again. Thanks for sticking around if you're not new. Continue to watch my videos, continue to be engaged, all that good stuff. Links to both of my channels, or link to my second channel will also be down in the description box in case you just want to sit through the look first and then check that out if you're interested in that type of content. If not, don't feel compelled to have to go over there. Just letting you know it's out there. And also letting you know, in case you've watched my videos in the past where I lumped everything together, it's not like that anymore. It's finally separate and you can watch what you're interested in. If you're not interested in luxury, you can just stay here. If you're interested in luxury, you can go there. So yeah, options for everybody. If you guys are interested in this look, keep watching. I'm starting off with Too Faced Shadow Insurance as my primer. Spreading that all over the eyes. I'm going to use the ColourPop Disney Designer Collection Midnight Masquerade palette. Looks like this. I've never used this and I've had it for months, or over a year for sure. The first color I'm gonna grab, this color called Enchanted. Wait, this one. This is going in the crease. As the brow highlight, I'm gonna do that while I'm at it. There are really none in this palette, so I'm gonna grab something totally different. Or am I? No, I'm not. I'm gonna take something I normally wouldn't do. This is Mrs. Potts. I don't know if I need to do this or not, but I'm gonna do it. I'm lightly taking this under the brow. Same brush. And you see how it kind of adds a reflective finish under the brow? I kind of like that. For this, usually I wouldn't. I'm gonna mix that with Spinning Wheel, just for a little more lightness. This color at the top left here. I'm dusting it off and going back in with Enchanted, this color here. Wait, it's hard to show backwards. Taking another base on the lid. This is NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Cobalt. It is just a blue. I think that packaging is totally different from this now, but this still works, so I'm gonna use it. I'm spreading this on the lid. I'm blending it out now with a small synthetic brush. Clean that off because I don't want cream product with the next color I'm gonna use, and I'm using the same brush because I don't like washing brushes. I'm taking Merryweather, which is this color at the bottom right. It's like a dark purple or blue. I'm packing this on the lid. Need a bigger flat brush. Gonna have to dirty it up a little bit. This is much bigger. It's gonna cover a lot of more space. If you have small eyes, you can stick with the other brush, but I don't. Okay, I'm going into the crease with a tapered brush. I'm gonna take this color called New Dream. It's like a pinky purple, it's matte. And I'm tracing my crease with this. Also adding some color, some more color. I need another mirror because this palette does not have a mirror. It's kind of hard to see far away here. Once you get it traced into your crease, then you can start pulling the color up. However high you want to go. Taking that color I used first, the Enchanted, this crease color I used earlier here. Wait, there. And I'm going over that to blend it out, like to blend everything together. It's much easier this way. I'm gonna go ahead and do that lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I believe I'm going to take eyeliner first. So I'm gonna take a purple. Purple I'm gonna grab is from ColourPop actually. It's one of their cream gel liners. This is in Piggy Bank. It looks exactly like the package, by the way. This is going on the bottom and the waterline. I'm not gonna set it at all, but what I am gonna do is go into that tear duct with this color called, God, my nose is itching. It's called Frog and Wife. I might screw this look up by doing this. I don't care, because I want to do this. This is a shimmery green. I'm taking that into the top tiered up. So I'm going back in with that tiny brush, that tiny precise brush I was using earlier. I'm just dusting it off to make sure any color that's unwanted doesn't go there. And I'm going here with this very lightly. This color is super extreme. Wow. Going back in with that crease brush. You can take some more Enchanted. That's the color we used in the crease. And I'm going around everything. And I'm going back in with that flat brush again. Merging them together. Okay, for the lower lash line, I'm gonna take a glitter. This is called Floating Lantern. I'm actually using that same precise brush. Really clean that off because I don't want green or shimmer down there at all. I want glitter. So you can take a primer if you want. I don't really necessarily need primers when I use ColourPop glitters because they stick. I had a mirror here the whole time and I'm struggling to see. I'm being very careful not to get this in my eyes. For the liner at the top, we're gonna go with black. And this is the NYX liquid eyeliner. This is like almost dried up. For concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer Medium Dark 32. And then on the outside, I'm taking my Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer in the shade 22 Dark. Taking that on the outer borders. I'm also gonna take that here for my darkness around my mouth. See, that kind of brightens and conceals. For foundation, I'm mixing two products, my usuals. Circa Color Balance Liquid Foundation in number 8. My NARS Natural Radiant Low Wear Foundation in Marquises. I'm mixing those two together. And I always take whatever's left and go around here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do mascara. This is the Laura Geller Lash Boss Mascara. These are some from Motives. These are number 110s. They're kind of similar to what I just showed you. I'm gonna let this kind of dry a little bit while I continue my face. Make sure that's blended and then go underneath with some setting powder. This is my NYX HD Finishing Powder. It is translucent, so it is not going to show white under here. It is gonna set this in place and help mattify it though. I'm also gonna put some around here. That's where I put extra product. You can set your whole face. That's what most people do, most normal people, but I don't. Strictly because I don't like matte face. I'm gonna go around my nose because that's not supposed to be shiny. I like a glow, and I feel like if I put setting powder on top, it's gonna mattify that area, and which defeats the purpose of me using Radiant Foundation, which is supposed to give you skin a dewy finish. So if you ever wondered why I skipped setting my entire face, that's why. I kind of like a little shine in this area because it kind of looks, not shine, but like reflective, whatever. That probably makes no sense, but yeah. I'm taking my Ace Beauté Bronzed in Paradise Bronzing Palette. I'm grabbing this one in here, this one, because that's really the only one that works for me. Oh, I currently have a bunch of stuff saved in my cart until Black Friday, just so I can use the coupon. I'm not buying, paying full price when Black Friday is 3 weeks away. You're crazy. This brush is dirty, so it has contours mixed. Oh no, blend. There you go, blend baby. Taking my Maybelline Master Chrome. Gonna help complement that highlight I have under my brow. For blush, I'm taking MAC Vintage Grape Blush Ombre. I'm just taking a dab of that onto the apples of my cheeks, and I'm kind of blending into the highlight so they all blend well together. And this is gonna help complement the colors on my eyes. Kind of overdid it, so I'm going in lightly with my foundation brush. Boom, done. For lips, gonna take an Absolute New York Modest Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Satin Lip. Really? That's the shade name? It's called Satin Lip. MML number 10. It looks like this. I don't know what the inside looks like. It's a darker nude than I wanted, but it works. I always miss the inside of my lips. Not today. This is very pretty. I need to use this color more often. It's very pretty. I think I got that color from my local beauty supply store. I think. I hope y'all enjoyed this look using the Midnight Masquerade palette from ColourPop. Great colors. It kind of reminds me of the other Disney palette they have. Misunderstood, I believe it's called. As far as the payoff of the shimmers, I only used a couple of shimmers in the palette, but they were extremely intense. The mattes were intense. They were great to blend and all of that. Had no problems or issues with anything in this palette. Please rate the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notifications. Also, if you're interested in luxury content, I have another YouTube channel dedicated just for that. I will leave the link down below and also link it on the screen. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.